Meet the Dreame X30 Ultra, a smart robot vacuum with powerful suction, advanced mopping, and hands-free cleaning convenience. With its all-in-one auto-cleaning dock, it keeps your floors spotless with almost no effort.
What's in the box?
In the box, you find the Dreame X30 Ultra Robot Vacuum, base station ramp, mop pad, power cord, cleaning solution, dust bag, cleaning tool, side brush,
and user manual.
How to pair. To set up the Dreame X30 Ultra, first install the Dreame Home app on your iPhone or Android phone and sign into your account. Then open the robot's lid to find the QR code and either scan it through the app or add the model manually from the list. Place the robot on the charging dock, then press and hold the spot clean and dock buttons for about 3 seconds until you hear the voice prompt saying it is waiting for network configuration. After that, tap Next in the app, allow the required permissions, and make sure you are connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, since 5 GHz is not supported. Enter your Wi-Fi password, connect to the robot's temporary hotspot when prompted, and wait a few moments for the app and robot to pair successfully. How to use? Before using the Dreame X30 Ultra for the first time, start by plugging in the charging base and confirming that its indicator light turns on, which shows the station is powered properly. Next, fill the clean water tank, make sure the dirty water tank is empty if the unit was bought used, and check that the dust bag is correctly installed inside the dock. If your model includes a cleaning solution, only use the official Dreame solution in the designated tank to avoid damaging the robot. After that, install the mop cleaning plate and floor ramp properly. Remove any transport foam from the robot's bumpers and attach the mop pads securely to their plates. Finally, place the robot onto the charging station with the rear side aligned correctly, and once the lights begin blinking and you hear the startup chime, the robot is powered on and ready to use. Maintenance. To maintain the Dreame X30 Ultra, regularly clean both the robot and the base station to keep performance at its best. On the dock, rinse the dirty water tank to prevent odors, occasionally clean the clean water tank, replace the dust bag when full, and refill the detergent compartment only with Dreame's official cleaning solution. You should also manually clean the washboard base through the app by selecting the washboard cleaning option, letting the robot leave the dock, then rinsing the removable tray and wiping the base before sending the robot back for a mop wash cycle. For the robot itself, remove it from the dock and power it off before maintenance. Then empty and clean the dust bin, wash or blow out the filter once fully dry, and wipe out any trapped debris inside the dust compartment. Check and clean the top sensor, cliff sensors, bumper area, charging contacts, and underside sensors. Then remove the mop pads to rinse or wash them as needed. Finally, take out the side brush and main roller to remove hair and debris, clean the brush housing thoroughly, reassemble everything securely, dock the robot again, and reset accessory usage in the app after cleaning or replacing parts.
Smart features?
Delivers ultra-strong suction that deeply removes dust, dirt, and pet hair from carpets and floor gaps. Ensures powerful and consistent cleaning performance even on tough and embedded debris. Automatically extends and swings the mop to reach tight corners, edges, and under furniture. Ensures full coverage cleaning by targeting areas that normal round mops usually miss. Handles dust emptying, mop washing, hot air drying, and water refilling automatically. Provides true hands-free cleaning by keeping the robot ready with minimal user maintenance. Uses heated water to thoroughly clean mop pads, removing tough stains, grease, and bacteria. Keeps mops hygienic and fresh, ensuring deeper and more effective floor cleaning every time. Uses advanced sensors and AI to detect and avoid objects like cables, shoes, and furniture. Creates precise real-time maps for efficient, safe, and organized room-by-room cleaning. Automatically lifts the mop pads when detecting carpets to prevent them from getting wet. Switches to vacuum-only mode on rugs, ensuring deep cleaning without damaging carpet surfaces. Delivers extended runtime for uninterrupted cleaning of large homes on a single charge. Automatically returns to the dock and resumes cleaning after recharging for full coverage.
Specifications. Safety precautions.
Want to grab the Dreame X30 Ultra Robot Vacuum from Amazon?
Just tap on the link in the description below.
That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Dreame X30 Ultra Robot Vacuum. See you at the next one.